Please help me welcome Carolyn Finch.
Okay, so what is body language? It's a process of communication and it sends messages. Would you agree?
So I just watched Carolyn's presentation here at the Business Women's Forum. It was my favorite presentation out of all of them.
I want you to understand what the eyes see.
She has tremendous energy. It was bouncing off the walls. I was drawn in, and the positivity, the optimism, just the way she tells her stories is truly electric.
Remember when you were a kid and you didn't want to hear something, what'd you do? Show me, what'd you do? You covered your ears. And you didn't want to see something, what did you do? You covered your eyes. But you see, some of us are visual and some of us are auditory, and you can tell who those people are if you would just listen with your eyes. I see people with walkers who have to have that pocketbook with them. And they're walking along, pushing that walker.
I thought Carolyn was funny, energetic, free-spirited. A lot of people related to it.
We high five. My granddaughter's in college now, and they don't just high five, they go, ding, dong, da, they have all these body movements that they do.
I became fiercely aware of my body language, and I learned a lot about how health and energy really plays a huge role.
Let me tell you a little bit about energy. Watch this. Yes! Give her a round of applause.
I would definitely recommend Carolyn to speak at my engagement. I found her to be delightful. I found her to bring a different caliber into a networking event.
Your clients are going to be those 4 different personality styles. So you have to swing and sway and go with the one that you can relate to. But that's going to get a sale.
She was very expressive with her own body, very expressive with her words. I'm really happy and glad that I came to this event.
My company is Electrific Solutions, which means when all the electricity is flowing properly and you feel terrific, you are electrific. Good morning, gorgeous. Thank you.